And then you got some air traffic that pops up once in a while. And that's not too bad. Usually it's private jets, and American Eagle flies in and out of here twice a day. Once early in the morning, once about sundown. And y'all get National Guard people flying in and out in their Hueys, and we get drones once in a while flying in and out. So maybe we'll see a deer over at the tree line over there across the road. That's usually where the deers will start popping out, and they'll jump over that fence over here and cruise around the RV park and get acorns. Some people even have deer feeders at their rig, so that brings them in. The deers normally hang out in the back row, way in the back, because there's another tree run on the other side in the back, and another fence to jump over. So that, and around the dumpster area. And come around the dumpster area just to look around, see what they could get. I think we're almost out of propane. We'll have to use my second bottle. Hopefully not for tonight. It's almost done. See what that fat part looks like. Getting there. Getting me hungry. Yeah, next time I'll have to get thinner breasts, I think. I think so. Those fat ones take a while to cook. But the fat ones are good. flock of birds trying to find a place to roost. The big girls are ready to go to bed. They're like, another day in the can. We'll just sit here and wait for the sun to go down. My dusk to dawn lights are slowly coming on. Got one on. It's almost time to change out the batteries. Those little dusk to dawn lights on the coupe there, they only take one AAA. And they only last for about a season, about a year. Wintertime will zap them out. And you just have to slip a new one in. Slip a new one in. Got somebody heading towards the lake. Oh, they're going home. They're going home. Got another light came on. Should be another one. Darn, they get a little dark. My final flip, I think. And then we'll go in and have some dinner. You're not cooking if you don't wear your Tabasco sauce or teriyaki sauce. Mop up the rest of that sauce on this breast here. See how she's looking in the fat side of things. Nice and white. Give her another. No pink in the middle, so we're doing good. We'll cook it just a little bit more. Can never overcook chicken on the barbecue unless you got charred. You don't want to char it, but you don't want it.
Hello, Doug.
Hey, Tex, how you doing? All right. There goes the manager. I hope we got another light of cam on. My Christmas lights on top of the coop should be coming on probably another 10 minutes. But yeah, it was Tex. He's the manager of this place. He does a good job. And he's got some good groundkeepers now that are helping him keep the grounds looking nice. As long as we don't get a bunch of pig RVers that can't throw their shit away. Can't throw their trash away. Gotta let it blow into somebody else's spot. And that happens. You're like going, what kind of fucking moron are you? Go to the woods and do that? Way to go. Yeah, I can't believe June's already clicking away. Getting close, closer and closer. Be 4th of July. I don't know if we're gonna have a celebration out here on the 4th or not. With the China virus cases starting to rise and people starting to go to the hospitals and staying, I really doubt it. I really doubt it. But the fireworks, I could usually sit right here or move closer to the tree, you can see the fireworks over that tree line there across the road. You got to see the tops of the fireworks. So at least you could see something if you're if you weren't lazy like me, you could get in your car and go down the road to the park and watch it. But that's, again, at this point with the virus out there, fuck that, I'll stay here. Still get to hear the booms and the bongs and see the lights, so why catch the fucking virus seeing that kind of crap? Alright, I think we're good. I think we got chicken. Probably. Use that last bit of teriyaki juice and let this one go low. Let that one go on the low side and do a little bit more cooking. And we could say we got chicken. Give that sucker a little burn for another couple more minutes.